Well, students, topic of the video is logarithm. Y equal to log of x to base a. This one is base and this one is index and this one is value, and x equal to a to the power y. Now you see that here x is greater than 0, a is greater than 0 and a is not equal to 1. In the book, this part you can see that logarithm can be written as log of a to base x. This part and this part both same. Actually, which person define logarithm, he or she defines logarithm like this. But nowadays in the book of by different printing press, this one becomes like this, but this part and this sum, both of them are same, not different. You can write any one of them. And graphical representation of logarithm, this one is x-axis, this one is y-axis. This is y equal to log x to base a. Now see that this is 1 comma 0. At x equal to 1, log 1 is 0. Now you see that here x part is always positive. From this one, x is always positive and value of y is negative, while x is lies between 0 to 1. 0 less than x less than 1, then y is negative. Otherwise log of x, otherwise means x is greater than 1, then y is positive. There is some formulas on it. Formulas of logarithm: log to base a m, log n to base a, log p to base a. This one is log m n p to base a. With respect to same base, the log of part is index part is multiplied. With respect to same base, if there is minus or subtract from log m minus log n, then this one becomes log a to base m by n. While base and index are same, this one is 1, while log of 1 to base any base is 1 equals to 0. Log a b to the power n, this one written as n log b to base a. Next formula, log a to the power n and b to the power n, this one written as n by m log a to base b. Log a to base b is equals to 1 by log b to base a. Now log a to base b can be written as log a to base c into log c to base b, and log a to base b can be written as log a to base m log b to base m with respect to same base. If log a to base x equal to log a to base y, that implies x equals to y. If log x to base a is equals to log x to base b, that implies a equals to b provided x not equals to 1, because log of 1 to base 10 is equals to 0 and log of 1 to base 100 is equals to 0 also. Then 10 equal to 100 by this formula. That's why x is not equals to 1, otherwise the relation is true. In the next video on this topic we discuss sums on logarithm.